Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for creating a credit memo. So in this guide, we're going to walk through basically creating a credit for your customer. And this is typically in the case where you're not returning any inventory back into the system. Instead, you're just giving the customer a credit. So sometimes this may happen if they've purchased something and you decided to let them keep the goods, but you want to give them a credit. So what you can do is basically go to the credit memo module. Now, normally, if you are returning inventory, you'd use the invoice credit memo, which is very, very similar, which basically pulls an invoice in and then creates a credit. But instead, we're going to do a credit memo because we're not returning any inventory. So what you do is just select your store, excuse me, that you want to give the credit for, make return type direct, and select the customer. What you want to do is just add the reference number or any dates, put it in a memo. Now, here's the key thing. What you want to do is beforehand, you want to set up a return item. So what you'll do is basically go to the item page. I've already set one up here and make it a non-inventory item type because you're going to have to add an item into the credit memo in order to create it. So you can create a non-inventory or service type item. And what you'll want to do is attach some accounts to it. So an income and expense account. And then once you've created that item, you're going to add that item into your credit memo. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm actually going to make this a service type item. There we go. And make sure I get an expense account here. So I can choose this like so. And now I can go ahead and add this item. So you'll have to create this item and associate the accounts with it before you create the credit memo. So now that I've created that, I'm going to add this non-inventory return item and I'll make it quantity 1. And I'm going to put in the amount that I gave them credit for. So let's say, there we go, put a return, say customer satisfaction. You can add a return note, no inventory, credit given. Go. And I can add a memo if necessary. Let's click on save. And the credit memo has now been created.